Freeform is taking metal 3D printing and scaling it into a mainstream technology.
I was an early employee at SpaceX. We were using printing to accelerate our trajectory to the future. That's where I saw this transformative potential of the technology. We founded Freeform to basically bring this transformative technology to global industries.
We want to have autonomous metal 3D printing factories at every corner of the world, enabling customers in any industry to print with us.
In order to do that, we started rethinking entirely the printing process from the ground up. The idea was, let's make the assembly line of this type of technology. We focused our attention on designing a factory architecture.
Everyone else is making the printers, we're making the printing press.
We have outfitted the system with an advanced telemetry system. That is a bunch of sensors that are collecting data extremely fast, that are effectively measuring the physics of the melt process, that are then getting fed into a back-end high-performance compute system, and that is immediately being turned around and used to control the physics of the process in microseconds.
With that, we're now able to conduct data-driven learning and continue to improve our process over time. So the more we print, the better the process gets.
This doesn't exist anywhere else.
Manufacturing is the foundation of almost everything we interact with on a daily basis. This is going to take something that is foundational to everything that humans interact with and make it better and faster and more efficient.
This technology fundamentally is going to bring order of magnitude improvement in the way we make things.
You can design things that have never been designed before, and it will potentially enable industries that don't even exist right now.
It's going to lay the foundation for the future of rocketry and autonomous cars and maritime systems and aviation systems.
There's a $4 trillion global metal manufacturing market. Of that, there's probably $1 trillion or more that could use 3D printing.
We're really taking this technology and opening it up to wider markets, to really anyone that's using metal manufacturing.
And so this will make metal 3D printing available to all industries at scale.